Hello my Libras, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your loved ones. So Libra, we are entering, this is your season. So first of all, let me wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you guys have a very happy and peaceful, blissful and healthy birthday with your loved ones, guys. Libras, we are going to do reading for your sign for the month of October 2020. Please note that this is a collective reading, so it might not resonate with all. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. Do check your other placements in the in your chart. Like for example, if you are Libra Sun and say Capricorn Moon and something else rising in Venus, so please check those charts also, so that you'll get a better understanding, okay, of the overall picture. So yeah, Libras, let's get started. While I was meditating, I would not say while meditating, while shuffling the cards for you, I was having that feeling of, wanting to break free, I also saw Eight of Swords, I think, yeah, Eight of Swords and Four of Cups. So there was this energy of stagnancy, and wanting the real urge to break free, like someone is not able to take someone else's BS anymore and really want to speak their mind out and just break free, like not able to take something anymore, and I really want to talk, or I just really want to walk away from this, but still you're not acting upon that. So that kind of energy I was getting to whoever it applies. Okay, so yeah, let's get started, guys. The cards are jumping off, so let me just give one more shuffle and we'll just start. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The energy at the bottom of the deck is Ace of Wands, new beginnings. There's this Ten of Wands also. So Ten of Wands and Ace of Wands, which means that you're ending something and beginning something. I feel that for some of you, you guys might be letting go of something that was bringing you down. Okay, it might be letting go of the job or the workplace that was not serving you right, and starting something new, starting something afresh that will uplift your spirits, give that's something that you will be very much passionate about. Yeah, for sure you're ending something, and I think it's related to your job or workplace. Yeah, Eight of Swords again. Yeah, this was the card I was feeling, the card that I mentioned you at the beginning of the reading. I saw this card and it's like a feeling of being stuck or being like you're creating those bindings for your own self, but there is no external factor binding you, but you are restricting your own self, you're limiting your own self, you're limiting your own this thing. Again, Four of Cups. Yeah, this was the energy that I spoke. Again, you are feeling stagnant, and I think it's your own creation, it's no one else, it has got nothing to do with your external energies. So yeah, let's get started, guys. Your present energy is of King of Swords, someone who is speaking his or her mind, seeking truth, not willing to take any BS from anyone, just going about talking the truth. Okay, that kind of, or wanting to talk truth is your present energy. Also, someone is practicing some detachment, okay, from some toxicity or something that is not adding to your energies, or that is not making you grow. Okay, you're going to detach from such energies. That kind of energy is there in your present. Okay, the energy crossing is Six of Cups. You guys, some of you are missing someone. Maybe while practicing this detachment, you are getting a little emotional, okay, your emotions are attached to whatever the situation is, and you're finding it difficult to detach, your emotions are coming. So that I see that there is a conflict between your brain and your heart. Okay, your brain says, okay, I need to detach from this, this is really not doing me good, but then your heart is saying no. Your heart is kind of pulling you back, and it's making you feel a little miserable, and it's making you it's taking you back, it's making you feel nostalgic, it's taking you back to the memories associated with this situation or person. Okay, that kind of energy, major missing, major nostalgia, childhood memories for some of you. Okay, but something that is not letting you to move ahead, and probably that is the why that Eight of Swords energy also. Okay, wherein you're kind of bound, or you have created these shackles for your own self. Okay, it's not an external doing. In your recent past, I can see the Knight of Cups. Okay, yeah, so for some of you, I think someone wanted to someone has offered you this new relationship, someone has opened up their feelings to you. Let me clarify this Knight of Cups that's there in the recent past. Okay, some young energy. Oh, give me a minute, something fell down, give me a minute, guys. Temperance card. Okay, someone was, yeah, or rather I would say no, not someone. I think you were being very emotional about someone, guys. And yeah, King of Pentacles. Oh, that's okay. Just give me a one more clarifier for this. Yeah. Oh, King of Swords, King of Wands. Well, I feel that in your recent past, now this is applicable to only a specific group of people. Someone has offered you some, is or wanting to offer you a relationship which is full of, that's not just full of love, but it is, that person wants to offer you stability. Okay, that person wants to offer you everything that you need. That person is probably someone who might bring stability and balance in your life. This is, like I said, this might not resonate with everyone, but I feel that this person is completely sure of whatever he is talking. That person has the right, that person has that person basically has a right balance of emotions as well as practicality. Okay, this energy, guys, is definitely good for you. That person is very much mature, and is a perfect balance, I would say, of practicality as well as emotional side of one's aspect, one's life. Yeah, and that person really wants to offer you love and stability through this relationship. That person is also very much passionate about his or her work, and that person is completely, that person basically admires you, is in totally love with you, guys. There is this, he has everything in one person, and I think that this energy is really good for you, for whoever this is applicable. So if someone has approached you, now please don't go by the gender, it can be anything, male or female, but if you have any such energy coming into your life, please be open for it. That energy is really going to do you well. In your immediate future, I can see the moon energy. Okay, I somehow feel that this is your energy, guys. This is your energy. You are not opening up. Okay, you're being a little in your shadow side. Okay, you want to keep up to yourself. You are not willing to express your feelings. Okay, you are you just want to lie low. Okay, you just want to take your time. Probably you guys are still not over with whatever is bothering you currently, okay, with whomever, or in the situation that you are wanting to practice this detachment. I think you are still carrying, you're going to still carry forward that energy, okay, wherein you are not willing to just open up, okay, to the situation. That can be a person, that can be a new job opportunity, or anything, the step that you need to take, you are still not ready to go for it, is what I can see in your immediate future. Three of Cups, wanting to reunite, someone wants to reunite with it. This is someone who wants to come back to you. Maybe you guys are not in touch with each other, but this person is really missing you, or you are missing this person and want to reunite with this person, okay. Or rather, I would say it can be other way around. This person is wanting to reconcile with you. If at all you're going to detach, or you have already detached someone in your life, this person wants to be back in your life. Yeah, for some of you this could also mean a small get together, or a sort of family reunion with the friends or family, small celebration wherein everyone are coming together and celebrating something, okay. In your crowning energy, there's this Five of Pentacles. Someone has kind of put you into that space of, have left you in cold, rather has kind of let you down. This could be at workplace, okay. Yeah, I really feel this energy is at your workplace, or you're feeling you're kind of bothered something about something that has happened or happening at your workplace, okay, and that is keeping you a little low in vibes. It's kind of bothering you, it's kind of bogging you down. Yeah, I wonder why Five of Pentacles. Let me see why Five of Pentacles here. Please. Three of Pentacles. Yeah, I really feel that this is something related to your workplace, guys. Not you guys, the team that you are working with is having some conflicts, and that is causing a lot of tension, that is causing a lot of a conflict in you, okay. So yeah, see, maybe you are, it's the situation currently is like you versus someone, maybe one or more person, one or more team members of yours, okay. So that's the kind of energy I'm seeing over here. Yeah, opposite ends, there are conflicts, there are two strong opinions clashing, okay, at workplace, and that is causing a lot of conflict. I strongly feel this is the conflict at the workplace. In your advices, there's this Two of Cups, okay, synergy, partnership, come into partnership. So I feel that for this is for the group of people for whom a new relationship is about to enter your life, okay. If someone is offering you that love, okay, I would really advise, or rather take this as an advice from the universe, that this partnership is going to be for your highest good. It's going to be really a nice relationship, nice energy. This is a very positive energy, and it will bring you the much required satisfaction in all aspects, material, emotional, everything. So this is a good opportunity, and do consider it for sure, guys. It's going to be good for you. Yeah. In your external influences, there's this Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, so I feel that for some of you guys, like, yeah, this is going to be a holistic offer, guys. Like I said, someone is going to bring you a lot of happiness. Someone wants to have this family with you, a complete family, and that person is willing to offer you the required stability, the stability that probably is lagging in your life, the financial stability, the emotional stability, okay. That kind of stability this person wants to offer you. This to me also feels that some of you are are probably going to buy a new property, okay, or wanting to shift somewhere, shift houses maybe. Um Maybe shift a job also, and this is going to be a good one for you, okay. Yeah, I feel some of you are going to invest in some property, if this applies to any of you guys, a group of people, specific group of people. Some of you are going to invest in some property and are going to get a good property deal if you are planning to do so. If you are looking for a property, I mean, in your fears or hopes, there is Page of Cups. Yeah, someone wanting to communicate with someone. You'll hear from someone is going to message you, okay. And I really feel this is the group, this applies to this group of people, you know. Someone is going to just come and pop in that question, express their feelings towards you, okay. I also see that this is an apology coming your way, to some of you. Someone is going to come and say sorry to you about something that they have done, and someone who has hurt your feelings, you can expect an apology, and this person would want to reconcile with you, or that person is going to come and say sorry and say, okay, let's let bygones be bygones, and just let's start afresh, that kind of an energy I feel for a group of people. Yeah, for sure. Apologies on the way for sure, or some kind of communication through message, or yeah, through message is what I feel. Text message first to start with. In your overall energy, I see this Queen of Cups, tending or taking care of emotions, okay. So I feel that this is the outcome. This card is in the place of outcome. So for me, this looks like you guys are being mindful of your emotions. You want to take care of your emotions for a change, which is a very good sign, guys. After detaching from someone, and you realize that you're realizing that this is actually affecting me a lot, and I need to take care of myself, I need to take care of my emotions, okay. And that is what you're going to do. You're going to listen to your heart, you're going to listen to whatever is bringing you down. You're going to take the right actions, and you're going to take care of yourself. This is the kind of energy I feel here. This Queen of Cups, tending to her emotions. Yeah, and that's a very good sign, guys. We often tend to neglect our own emotions for the sake of others, and then we end up suffering a lot. That is what we do most of the times. So yeah, I have already spoken about your overall energy. Four of Cups, Eight of Cups. Don't be stagnant. If you're right now, I feel you're in this Four of Cups energy, and you're not. You're just being a little unsure whether or not you should be taking certain action, okay. But just know, like I said at the beginning, that these are the bindings, or the restrictions that sometimes we tend to put on our own selves, okay. Our own thoughts, that keep us from taking the right decision. So don't do that. Let go of whatever is burdening you emotionally, or even at workplace. Just let it go. It's not worth it. No heartache is worth it. Just let the burden go. Drop it down. If it's the job, or if it's a relationship that is bogging you down, just let it go, and then you will be able to receive this new opening. The universe wants to give you a brand new start, okay, brand new passionate start. And I think this is applicable to both the groups of people, okay. Once you let go of something that is not helping you or serving you, you are in for new beginnings. The moment you do that, new beginning is on its way for you guys. I am really curious, what is it that you're starting afresh? Please let me know through comments, okay. If it's a new job, or if it's a new relationship. Okay, this card is just, yeah, what do I say about this, guys? Time to move on. It's time to let go of the old and worn out, so that the new can come in. Didn't I just say that? Okay, so just let go of this burden, okay. It's a 10 of Wands anyway. It's a time to move on. So don't remain stuck, guys. Whatever it is, whatever that is bothering you, just live it. Don't stay in the stagnant energy. The universe definitely is wanting you to offer you something new, but you are the one who is focused on the spilt milk. Okay, you are the one who is not willing to see what is coming new in your life. Okay, and you are obstructing your new life or new beginning. Just let go of it. See this card again. It's a very beautiful message. Please think about it. Time to move on. Yeah, lovely. Thank you, Spirit Guides, for such an accurate message. Let's see what we have from this beautiful deck. Dear Spirit Guides, Guardian, please give me one message for my Libras. Oh, two cards fell out. The energy is gaining momentum and the answers you need are coming. Wow. Wow. So, if this helps you to take the right decision, the answers that you're seeking are coming and the energy is gaining momentum. I'm sure you guys are about to end something and begin something new. Okay, so whatever it is, it's going to gain momentum, and I'm sure you'll get the right answers at the right time. Please meditate if possible. Anyway, while I was shuffling, the card of balance, spirituality and practically kept on coming, and there was one more, meditate and contemplate. Yeah, these two cards had come in your energy, and I could also see temperance again. It talks about balance. Okay, so once you start balancing, you'll get the right answers that will help you to take the right decision, and yeah, your problems will be solved a little smoothly, so yeah. So Libras, I would like to leave it at that. Please let me know what new has come up in your life. Okay, I'm really curious to know. If this reading resonates with you, please like the video and drop comments. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay, so bye, take care and wish you good luck.